Loose change. A large glass container contains my loose change collected over several years, pennies, nickels, dimes, quarters. Into two plastic bags, I divided the coins to take to the local supermarket for exchange into paper money. The entrance to the market had an outer door and an inner door. The drama occurred right between these two sets of doors. Seemingly by magic, both the fragile plastic bags burst at the same time, spilling all the coins between the two entrance doors, pennies, nickels, dimes, quarters. Just on the other side of the second set of doors was the florist department, from which I acquired a pail to fill with my precious change, pennies, nickels, dimes, quarters. After a minute on my hands and knees, a mother with two young children, about 9 and 10, entered the outer door. She immediately assessed the situation, and the three of them joined me on all fours to scrape up the loose, now very loose change, pennies, nickels, dimes, quarters. When we finished, I invited the children to reach into the pail and said they could have as many coins as they could grasp in one fistful. The mother responded immediately. Life has been very kind to us, and this is a little way of paying back. Very affected, I thanked them. Some short time later, I met them again in an aisle of the market. I whispered to the mother. It came to $127.23, all from pennies, nickels, dimes, quarters. This is a delightful little story. It is very real. It happened. I have the detail described as accurately as possible. How foolish of me. I knew it from the beginning that these plastic bags had a danger to them. And the mystery that both of them broke exactly at the same time. I wasn't awfully young at the time. I'm on my hands and knees, and this mother with two kids come through. And immediately they begin to howl. And I was willing to give the kids the whole bucket by that time. But I thought, okay, just reach in and take a putt. And the mother immediately steps in and makes that really very moving remark. Life has been very kind to us. This is one little way of paying back. Wow. And I've thought a lot about that because it is so affecting, and what that would have meant for the children, and being kind. This is how we are kind. This is how we give thanks for the good that we have. Again, it's a very small gesture, but it is filled with human